furry nether bits coming. So
Stop! Oh my god! But today, let's watch more Zenith content. But Zenith put together another little furry programming AI project, and I've been told by several of you, and also him, that I should watch it. Again, can AI detect furry porn? Oh my god, this is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be great. Wait, does that mean I have to give examples? Zenith, you here? Oh, there you are. Okay, Zenith, give me some insight, give me some backstory, give me some secret lore that I might need to know before going into this. Something that I can talk about. I don't know. It finds pee-pee? Awesome. Okay, well, let's watch it. Okay, can AI detect furry porn? That's a 10 out of 10 thumbnail. I mean, the fact that you use Lucario in it is already amazing. But either way, Zenith put together another little project for a little AI or program that can detect furry porn. I don't know the full context of this, but an 8-minute video, I could probably last like maybe 10 seconds with my attention span, but yeah, let's do it. Why not?
Hi, I'm Zenith. And look, I know. Title is horrible, the thumbnail was atrocious, but...
No, it isn't. What you're saying now is the equivalent of I'm not cute. You're being that furry. Zenith, stop it. You're a good content creator. Shut the fuck up. So officially, this is Furries React to furry AI porn.
Hi, I'm Zenith. And look, I know.
Wait,
Title
what?
is horrible, the...
Why do you keep baiting me with, like, these images last second?
I know. Title is horrible.
Fuck
Hi,
it, go
I'm
back.
Zenith. And...
What are you doing? What are you... No, you cannot show that for half a second.
Hi, I'm Zenith. And...
Is this a fetish?
And look, I know. Title is horrible, the thumbnail was atrocious.
I don't know how you do that with the title, though.
This project's actually kind of cool. In this video, I'm going to show you the first project I've ever done that actually might be useful. I'm making a Yiff AI.
Yiff.ai. Wow. That... What an amazing start. See, that's the thing as well, Zenith. You took my advice with doing your intros. You made it shorter because you understand the attention span in YouTube videos decreases every single day. Look at you go. Look at you go with that 17-second intro into title card. God damn.
So basically, I'm using something called a convolutional neural network image classifier. And all those...
You can't do this to me with the big words right now. You just... Maybe I spoke too soon with the intro, but I'm just gonna nitpick real quick. I have no clue what the fuck you just said, and you scared me. So I have to backtrack. How does it work?
So basically, I'm using something called a convolutional neural network image classifier. And all those really big fancy words just mean that the AI takes an image, finds the relevant features and patterns, and determines whether the thing you want to find is in that image.
How does that work?
Remember my furry detector? It's very similar to that, but it uses a slightly different layer system. That's all you really need to know to understand the AI at a surface level. And
so the skeleton of it is pretty much the same, because it's a neural network indicator thing based on images. Pretty straightforward. It's just taking something from an image instead of looking at words. Or does it look at words? Because with the Twitter AI that you had before, the furry detector, I know that was based on words or characters. How do you base it off of an image and pixels for that? Either, you know what? I'll figure it out.
Any deeper, and we're going into some nerd shit territory. And
I'll
just
shit!
leave the links in the description if you actually care about that.
What did you
Anyways,
just... Wait a minute, did I just fucking tell the future with this? What did you put in the description? What did you put down there? I saw that. Where is it? Where is that link? More info on CNNs. Is this the one with the ducks? Simple introduction to convolutional neural networks. This is what hypocrisy looks like. Simple introduction to convolutions. How to make something complicated simple. There is no way to do that. What are you talking about? So this is how the image analysis works, and I want to break this down myself, and then we're going to watch the video so I can understand it and how Zenith explains it, because he probably explains it like centuries easier than whatever this article is, because it shows images of ducks. Cool. Okay, image analysis. Let us assume we want to create a neural network model that is capable of recognizing... I'm bored already. Okay, oval, round, long, white. At least the color is consistent, right? Or is it? Can it get any worse? It definitely can. Okay. I'm totally feeling a bit called out, especially knowing I literally just fucking opened this right now. What is happening? Am I in a simulation? Am I the furry porn AI? Something. I'm bored as fuck already. I'm gonna listen to the Wah explain it, okay? Because Wahs explain it better. Wah! Exactly.
And it is. But Papega Me took me about like a month and a half to get this all working.
Okay.
So at the beginning of July, I came across one of my old video ideas for an AI.
Hey!
It's actually this video you're watching right here. And then I also took a look at my YouTube analytics and saw that, wow, not enough of you were subscribed. And also, that I really need to make another video.
Don't you fucking dare. I know what you're doing. I know what you're trying to do with the whole thing of like, only a percentage of you subscribed. And let me say, it's clever compared to what other people do. It is very clever, and it works, and I stopped paying attention. I'm sorry. Also, I want to see that cute sticker again.
And it's actually this video you're watching.
Like, this is adorable. My ADHD is running wild right now. He is the cutest goddamn fucking thing in the world. Look at that. How could you not listen to this face?
Watching right here. And then I also took a look at my YouTube analytics and saw that, wow, not enough of you were subscribed. And also,
69.
that I really need to make another
Nice.
video sometime soon.
You
So
do.
I set myself a goal. I was going to make this AI and hopefully upload this video before Denver. And
Oh,
like
boy.
every great project with a
Wait,
deadline,
am I seeing your fucking face in a few days? Oh boy.
I waited 2 weeks to start. But after enough of procrastinating, I finally got it.
Yep, that's engineering in a nutshell. That's me when I need to finish, like, videos. I waited 2 weeks. That's why videos are always delayed by 2 weeks, you know? What you see on stream probably isn't going to be uploaded till, like, September or so.
Around to starting, and my descent into machine learning hell began.
Oh, no.
So first things first, I needed a lot of training data for the AI to learn. And thankfully,
Okay.
that's super easy. All I had to do was write a quick bot that could get images from the E621 API.
Aww.
And while collecting, I looked for 3 things in an image. I wanted
That's
the
cute.
images to be very high quality, contain only furries, and finally,
Okay.
not include any images that are in E621 standard blocked tags. You know,
Do I want to know? I don't know about block tags. What are block tags? Also, love how you're learning how to pander here. Just saying.
all I had to do was write
You know how to pander. Hand.
a quick bot that could get images from the E621
You know how to pander to the furry audience. Ooh, woo, cute fursuit. You know what that means, though? It means that people are genuinely going to be like, where's Zenith? Put on your fursuit! Zenith! Fursuit! Like, that's all it's going to be. I'm sorry, you've kind of accepted this mantle of responsibility. You did it to yourself. Also, nice mic. Jesus Christ. Wish I had something like it. And your desk is so fucking... Jesus Christ.
to one API. And while collecting, I looked for
Okay.
3 things in an image. I wanted the images to be very high quality, contain only furries,
That's
and finally
high
not
quality?
include any images that are in E621 standard block
What high
tags.
quality?
You know, the yucky things. I collected my first dataset of 5,000
Jesus
images and began
Christ!
work on a very
Dude, why do you have that? Why'd you collect that much? You could have just asked me. I've got like a terabyte of that shit.
small model as a proof of concept. It trained for about an hour, and I was blown away by the results. Oh my god!
What are you looking at?
Works.
What'd you do?
Wow, I need to clean my screen. Holy shit! Yeah, you could tell I was a little bit happy. I was already at 70% accuracy, but I craved for more. If there is a single thing that I have learned from YouTube and Twitter over the past year,
It's a garbage
is that
fire.
people demand perfection on projects that aren't their own. And so I moved on.
No! Oh my god. Okay, my mic peaked out there. What you just said isn't even a YouTube and Twitter thing. That's just people in general. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you not doing something to my standards and it's your own thing? What are you doing? Come on.
And so I moved
It's so
on
true,
to a
I
bigger
hate
and
it.
better model. One that should crack the 70% barrier, and potentially even the 80%. This model was double the size. I collected triple the original dataset, and I got to training right away.
Dude, coding montage? Oh my god. Are you like slapping the
noticed
keyboard? Are you opening like Internet Explorer? This is cute. I want to go back because I'm going to be honest. Like, you got a crispy voice when you say this.
But I craved for more.
I mean, that's quispy. That is a very quispy voice, and I enjoy that. Just saying. Okay, going back to whatever. Pain? Pain? Oh no. You know, it's only a matter of time when you're coding where you find pain. Did we just leave off at pain? We've only been not even 3 minutes into this. Jesus. Okay, so let's get to pain. We got the second attempt with a montage. Cool.
But I noticed something weird happening
Pain.
while training.
Why is it 6864?
I can't read that.
Why is it only 0.6864?
Machine learning, machine learning, machine learning, machine learning. Yeah, so this one wasn't working. Basically, for anyone who doesn't know anything about machine learning, the
Yeah, I
loss
don't.
in accuracy staying the same value over multiple iterations
It means you
means
broke
that
it.
something was wrong. And
I think I know what your issue was, Zenith. You didn't have enough variety in your porn. Did you make sure to add enough inflation into that? How much variety did you use in this whole process thing? You know, it's just a question. Also, look at how fucking cute he is. God damn, I'm never gonna get over your little stickers and stills that you have. They're just adorable.
Not knowing how to fix it, I had to try something different.
Okay.
That something different was actually called an auto.
What happened?
Zenith owes me food.
Oh, cool. That's not my problem. Zenith, you can deal with that later.
That something different was actually called an autoencoder, and I would explain it in this video, but it's just too complex, and it was a dead end, so I was left with 0 options besides going back and looking at what I did
Short
wrong.
answer,
But
suck
it
at
was
coding.
at this point I had a harrowing realization. The original CNNs I worked on learned nothing. The original datasets had a fatal flaw. It was completely unbalanced. The data was split 70% not safe for work and 30% safe for work, which matches exactly to the accuracy. To confirm my suspicions, I ran the model again, but this time with a dataset that had 50% safe for work and 50% not safe for work. And I was right. Only 50% accuracy. It was guessing at random. And after this point, I was so tired with this project, I was about ready to quit.
What? No, don't quit! Don't give up! You're an engineer. Believe it or not, you're an engineer. You're an engineer. You know what you're doing. I mean, spoilers, you probably figured it out. There's another 4 minutes in this video and we're halfway through. But, yeah, you know what? That makes sense for a CNN to do something like that. It was just kind of guessing at random. I mean, did you try turning the power off and then back on again? I want to see this. Reevaluating life choices? That's the fucking section for this?
I was left with 0 options besides going back and looking at what I did wrong. But it was at this point I had a harrowing realization. The original CNNs I worked on learned nothing. The original datasets had a fatal flaw. It was completely unbalanced. The data was split 70% not safe for work and 30% safe for work, which matches exactly to the accuracy. To confirm my suspicions, I ran the model again, but this time with a dataset that had 50% safe for work and 50% not safe for work.
That makes sense. So it didn't actually learn anything when it went through the process of evaluating it. It literally just took the percentage of what it was in each one from the total of what it was labeled and then just basically did division. Interesting. Cool. I mean, you taught an AI to do math. You made a calculator. I'm kidding. But still, I want to see the harrowing revelation about this.
I was right. Only 50% accuracy.
Okay.
It was guessing at random.
Okay.
And after this point, I was so tired with this project, I was about ready to quit.
Okay.
Fuck off. But I had one final trick up my sleeve.
Well, it's a shame that you are an Apple user. Very sorry for you. Actually, I'm not sorry for you. You did this to yourself. I thought you'd at least know this as a software engineer. Oh, well. I still love that.
Fuck off. But I had one final trick up my sleeve.
Ooh.
Plagiarism. There's something called transfer learning.
Are you gonna trace? I can't wait to see you trace.
And that's where you use an AI that already exists to suit your own needs. And this was my final option.
Okay.
If I couldn't get this to work, this project was over. I used something called EfficientNet v2, which is very small but insanely powerful. However, I still didn't know if this would work. My confidence was at an all-time low with this classification project, and the only thing I could do was sit back and watch to see if it worked.
Okay. I don't know what loss means. I don't. What do these values mean? Accuracy. Okay. Okay. So you're getting your accuracy, your stonks up. I like it. Well, montage was cool. I didn't know what was happening, though. To be honest, hot take, better than any phase montage I've ever seen. I don't care about whatever trick shot you do and, you know, shitting on someone who's AFK. I really don't. That was a better montage than anything phase has pulled off in years. Final results.
And there you have it. As you can see, the model most certainly works. It has by far smashed any record that I expected for it to reach. So I ended up training it for a bit longer and with a lot more images.
Who knew that taking someone else's work that is successful and works actually works in this case? I mean, that's the thing as well, like, this is plagiarism, but you're not like passing this off as you made this. You're just applying a different sort of thing to whatever they set up here. I mean, it is plagiarism in this sense because someone did the work on it, but to a weird sort of like forehead feeling, it seems like, you know, the sort of thing where it's like, if I were to use the Pythagorean theorem, I'd have to put a citation at the bottom of my work to Pythagoras, or whoever made the fucking theorem. You know? But still, I'm sure if they allow this to be used out there, or is it the fucking code is out there, that they would be fine with this. And even then, you're not making money off of it. Wait, are your videos monetized? Who knows? Who knows?
60,000 images in this case.
Jesus Christ!
It's now at an accuracy of about 90.5%, and it can do some pretty neat things.
Okay.
So I asked on Twitter for people to try out my model, and I learned some pretty insightful things. So to start, one thing it's able to detect quite well are needlessly large rods. And no, not the League of Legends item, I mean like genitals. It has learned quite well all the unique shape and sizes that furry nether bits come in. So that's pretty neat, I guess. And something that I discovered that I didn't expect at all. It detects cum. And what's even cooler is that it has to be the right color and...
He came! Okay, so I want to go back to the results, because apparently furry bits are very hard to detect, shape and size, and it detects, interesting, okay.
And there you have it. As you can see, the model most certainly works. It has by far smashed any record that I expected for it to reach.
I also love it. People in 1999, AI will be the most powerful tool and will rebel against humanity. People in 2020 asking the AI if this is femboy, Fox, NSFW art. Is this femboy, Fox, NSFW? That's the AI now. It's like 2021 is going to be great. The AI of the future is going to be great. Meanwhile, AI of the future. How much cum is this AI detecting right now?
So I ended up training it for a bit longer and with a lot more images, 60,000 images in this case. It's now at an accuracy of about 90.5%, and it can do some pretty neat things. So I asked on Twitter for people to try out my model, and I learned some pretty insightful things. So to start, one thing it's able to detect quite well are needlessly large rods.
Yeah.
And no, not the League of Legends item, I mean like genitals. It has learned quite well all the unique shape and sizes that furry nether bits come in. So...
Stop! Oh my god! I was not expecting... What is the fucking timing with that fucking pufferfish? Jesus Christ. I was not expecting that. You genuinely got me, and thank you for the pufferfish moan, though. As he's explaining it, too. With the fucking face. This is why we can't have nice things.
I learned some pretty insightful things. So to start, one thing it's able to detect quite well are needlessly large rods. And no, not the League of Legends item, I mean like genitals. It has learned quite well all the unique shape and sizes that furry nether bits come in. So that's pretty neat, I guess. And something that I discovered that I didn't expect at all. It detects cum. And what's even cooler is that it has to be the right color and consistency for it to actually activate. So for example, here's some milk, and look, it's safe for work. It knows that milk isn't cum. Now, of course, I can detect other things too, and I'm glossing over and just showing you the cool stuff. But I have a website where you can try this out yourself.
Oh my god!
You can upload your image, get your result.
Hold on. You skipped over the best part. You totally are glossing over everything right now. Just saying. The important stuff. You're glossing over it. Little too much for my taste. Shut up.
Glossing over and just showing you the cool stuff. But I have a website where you can try this out yourself.
Okay.
There, you can upload your image, get your result, and tell me what you get on Twitter in the thread I link below. This website took a couple of days, and I was so excited to release it that I even made an ad.
You made an ad? Okay.
Oh my god.
Stop! I knew exactly where this was going when you pulled up the fursuit. Stop. Why? Zenith, you did this to yourself. Why did you do that? Not again. We already made one video on it, and they decided, you know what, we're going to use that video to advertise on that video. So when people went to skip the same fucking ad, that's the first thing they saw when the video actually started. Okay, well, let's watch the awful ad then.
Oh my god.
It
sucks not knowing this art is not safe for work, am I right? Well, listen up. I found this new website that does just that. Poggers is a website made for us, and I love it.
Stop!
It's easy to use and
No!
there's so many possibilities. Teehee. See you on kage.rs.
Stop.
Okay, this was so shit.
Now I'm very satisfied.
Redeemed. Redeemed fully. Ow. I literally could feel you die inside after that, Zenith. At least we're on the conclusion. We gotta get through one more minute. I believe in us.
With this AI. It is super performant and it's very small. It can be run on almost anything.
Okay.
But there are some drawbacks.
Uh-huh.
The only two big issues I can think of is that the accuracy could be better and it's too binary. To fix these, all I really need to do is just engineer the dataset a bit better.
Okay.
For one, just like not safe for work versus safe for work, I could balance other tags out. You know, I haven't tested this yet, so I'm not sure if it would do good against Vor, but you can see how more niche furry kinks can actually confuse the model if it's
You did that on purpose. You did that on purpose.
only trained on normal, not safe for work stuff. And
Okay.
the other thing I can do is make it detect if something is questionable. There might be a way for it to detect levels of not safe for work, but as of now, I'm not sure how I would do that. Anyways, that about covers it for me. Thank you so much for watching this far,
Aw,
and please
adorable.
do try out the model on my website.
Okay.
And share the results on Twitter and in the comment section.
Okay.
I'm super interested to see how you guys break it. Anyways, that's it for me. See ya.
Okay, bye. That was sweet. What a nice and chill video. I like it. But, yeah, furry AI. Interesting.